guys, we're back again with another making a fidget spinner, which now we're using just like the other one, but not with a cap. We are using like the rim of the cap, like where you twist the lid on, and we put 2 bearings inside of it to make it better, which I've already glued one of them on. We're going to try 2 big 2 lug nuts on each side so we can make it like another one, because our last one we done 3. So we're going to be making this one, which I have to glue this on real quick and then we'll see. Okay, we'll give that a minute to dry. But yeah, this one, if you haven't watched my first video, we made this one. We used a white bottle cap. We used 3 lug nuts, which I was kind of off on the angling, so they're kind of off a little bit, like not like they're used to or supposed to be. So we only used 1 bearing. We used just a bottle cap, 3 lug nuts, easy, quick, and done. We just had to glue the back end because it had little cracks all through it where it could fall out. Now, let's check this one. That one's pretty cool too, which we just made. Which it's heavier, so it has a harder time spinning, but it's spinning pretty well. So there we go, guys. That is the second one. So make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel and drop a like.